Yo, risk tamers, ready to unleash your inner language ninja and slay confusing insurance terms? We're here to dissect their jargon, expose hidden costs, and point out those secret clauses that weaken your coverage. Buckle up, it's time to conquer the insurance hidden treasure. First, let's expose the hidden secrets insurance companies don't want you to know. They're using your online habits, fitness trackers, and even social media to predict your risk. You all know that, right? That's the story of past. Now they track your moves, every word you speak, and with autonomous driving they know how you drive. Think your Fitbit loves you? Or your EV gives you eco-friendly, cost-saving drives? Think again. Share your craziest AI-driven insurance story in the comments, and we'll expose how they use your info. Emerging threats, sneaky exclusions, cybercrime, climate change, even robot uprisings. They're covering new threats, but often with sneaky exclusions. Tell us your wildest future risk scenario in the comments. Is your drone army attack covered? Loyalty or liability? Long-term discounts sound sweet, but are they trapping you in a bad policy? We'll compare premiums, uncover loyalty loopholes, and you'll vote on the best deals in real time. First, let's tackle the jargon beasts. Act of God. Not just Zeus hurling lightning bolts, but any unforeseen event. But did your roof cave in under a snowstorm or a rogue squirrel army? That's where things get murky. Comment below with your craziest act of God claims. Did they get kryptonited? Pre-existing condition. This kryptonite can exclude coverage for anything from a childhood sniffle to your grandma's secret salsa recipe. Comment about your pre-existing conditions, and let's bust the myths. Deductibles. Your first line of defense against financial doom. But how high is it? Can you handle a villainous $500 deductible, or is it more like a monstrous $5,000? Tell us your deductible horror stories, and we'll help you find policies with kryptonite-proof deductibles. Next, let's expose the hidden costs. Policy maintenance fees. Monthly charges for maintaining your policy. Sounds shady, right? Spot these sneaky villains and choose policies without hefty maintenance fees. Cancellation fees. Stuck in a bad policy, escaping can cost you. Unveil cancellation clauses and find policies that let you ditch them without cash burns. Late payment penalties. Missed a payment? Bam, instant fine. We'll teach you how to avoid these financial traps and choose policies with flexible grace periods. Exclusions. What's not covered? Aliens invading your goldfish bowl? Probably. We'll break down exclusions and help you craft a shield against unexpected risks. First, let's dissect the exclusions jargon. These are the fine print clauses that tell you what your policy doesn't cover. Think of them as cracks in your shield, letting threats slip through and wreaking havoc. 1. Named exclusions. These specifically list what's off limits, like war, nuclear meltdowns, or your pet goldfish attacking a pirate ship probably. Think of them as orphan edges. 2. General exclusions. These are broader categories, like acts of God or intentional acts. Imagine them as shadowy figures lurking in the corners, ready to pounce when you least expect it. Now, let's identify the terms used in exclusions. 1. Natural disasters. Think your policy covers everything Mother Nature throws your way? Think again. Flood, earthquake, or alien invasion again probably might be excluded. Time to research what your area is prone to and find coverage accordingly. 2. Cybersecurity threats. With online attacks on the rise, is your digital life protected? Hacked bank accounts or stolen identities might not be covered unless you have specific add-ons. Time to upgrade your digital shield. 3. Unexpected events. Life throws curveballs, and your policy should too. Check for exclusions on things like pandemics, civil unrest, or even accidental damage from home renovations. Time to consider contingency plans for the weird and wacky. Remember, knowledge is your ultimate weapon. Don't just blindly accept the exclusions your insurer throws at you. Ask questions, compare policies, and choose one that covers the risks that matter most to you. Next, let's craft your ultimate shield. 1. Layering up. Think of your insurance coverage like an onion, but hopefully less smelly. Combine different policies, like homeowners and cyber insurance, to plug the gaps and create a multi-layered defense. 2. Rider to the rescue. These little add-ons can strengthen your shield against specific threats. Got valuable art? Get a fine arts writer. Worried about identity theft? Add identity protection. Time to customize your fortress. 3. Regular inspections. Don't just set it and forget it. Review your policy regularly, especially after major life changes like moving or starting a business. Time to adapt your shield as your world evolves. By understanding exclusions, proactively addressing potential risks, and tailoring your coverage to your specific needs, you can create an insurance shield that truly protects you from the unexpected. Remember, risk tamers, you are the architect of your own financial security. So grab your knowledge tools, craft your personalized shield, and conquer the insurance frontier. Subrogation. How to avoid getting caught in the crossfire. It's time to uncover the mysteries of subrogation, a powerful insurance clause that can both protect and surprise you. Think of it as an insurance avenger, seeking justice and reimbursement on your behalf. But there are twists, turns, and potential traps to navigate. Let's dive in. What is subrogation? Subrogation is your insurance company's right to step into your shoes and go after someone else who caused you damage in order to recover the money they paid out on your claim. Imagine your insurer as a super lawyer, fighting for your compensation and seeking reimbursement from those responsible. Sounds fair, but wait, we'll explain how subrogation works and ensure you don't end up in trouble or chaos. Double dipping. Ensure your insurer doesn't recover money from both the at-fault party and you. Check your policy for subrogation clauses and ask for clarification. Delays and hassles. Subrogation can slow down your claim settlement. Stay informed, communicate with your insurer, and be patient. Legal surprises. If you're sued by a third party for an incident covered by your insurance, immediately notify your insurer. They'll handle the subrogation process, protecting you from legal costs and surprises. By understanding subrogation, you can ensure it works for you, not against you. Renewal roulette. Spinning the wheel of coverage like a boss. Alright, buckle up to tackle the renewal clause, the sneaky villain lurking in your insurance policy, waiting to trap you in a cycle of overpriced, mediocre coverage. But fear not, we'll equip you with ninja-level negotiation skills and eagle-eyed vision too. Spot these clauses and spin the renewal roulette in your favor. Identify the loop. Automatic renewal. This clause renews your policy automatically unless you explicitly cancel, often with little notice. Think of it as a subscription trap, sucking money from your wallet before you can blink. Rate hikes. Renewal isn't just about staying put, your premium might skyrocket without warning. Imagine waking up to a Godzilla-sized price increase. Limited review. Some clauses restrict your ability to renegotiate during renewal, locking you in for another year even if you find a better deal. Think of it as being shackled to a sinking ship. Now, sharpen your negotiation blades. Timing is key. Don't wait until the last minute. Start contacting your insurer a few weeks before renewal, giving yourself time to leverage alternatives. Think of it as launching a preemptive strike before the villain can trap you. Do your research, arm yourself with knowledge. Compare quotes from other providers. Play hardball, but be nice, be firm, but professional. Explain your concerns about the renewal clause, the price hike, or the limited review. Remember, you have the power. Don't be afraid to walk away if your current provider doesn't offer you a fair deal. There's a whole insurance sea full of options waiting to be explored. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.